One tap on this glass and real lightning appears inside it permanently. A giant machine shoots electricity straight into a clear glass block. The glass traps it inside because electricity can't move through it. So millions of volts just sit there, completely invisible, with nowhere to go. But the second anything taps the surface, it all explodes at once. All that trapped electricity tries to escape in every direction at the same time, burning a perfect lightning bolt shape through the glass from the inside. The whole thing happens faster than a blink and leaves a permanent lightning pattern frozen inside forever.